Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up video. Tonight's video was going to be all about silver soldering, but the silver solder job that I had to do hasn't actually turned up, so I can't do that. What I have done, I've been looking at some video I forgot I actually had. It's sort of closed season now on Traction Engine World and Steam World, but that is boiler inspection still going on. And a few weeks ago, my friend Phil had his Roby Steamroller boiler examined and tested, and there was also a Fowler steam traction engine there that was also examined and tested. They both had a 10-year hydraulic test, which is a major, massive operation. All the lagging's got to come off the boilers. You can see all the guts of the machine working, and then it has a steam test once again with all the lagging missing, so you can see all the working bits. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to string that together and put a little bit of steam engine video up so the lads that are into steam can have a little bit of a steam fix for a change. This is a 1924 Roby tandem steamroller. You'll have seen plenty of video of this on my videos and on my channel. At the minute it's got all its lagging removed because it's just had its 10-yearly hydraulic boiler pressure test. Phil's getting ready to light a fire in here so we can do the steam test on it. Wood's used to light the fire, but we're going to use wood all the time because we don't want a really hot coal fire in there. We want a hot fire that we can take out quickly. This boiler is very efficient. It'll actually burn most things. You can see there that big gear, that's the big drive gear. The shaft above the end of the crankshaft, there's a gear that slides on there and meshes with the big gear, and the chain drives the back roller, and that's what makes it move. As I shot there, you can see it's all big heavy stuff, and you can see the boiler with no lagging on. The engine in the background is a Fowler steam traction engine. We'll look at that a little bit later. The engine's now in steam, you can see the motor's running. It's a high-speed steam engine, this twin cylinder, double action. Originally it was on a steam wagon, or they were built as a steam wagon, then they were converted to rollers just after the war. The purple bucket in the bottom is full of water. It's got a pipe going in to the water pump. It pumps water into the boiler, and you can see the bypass with the water squirting back into the bucket. It constantly circulates the water. There the gear that drives the pump. This is the flywheel end of the engine. The actual pump itself, and the tap in front, the big valve in front, is the bypass valve. See that puts water back into the tank and into the engine. You can see through that additional safety valves. The safety valves are set to release the steam at a set pressure, in this case 250 psi. It's a safety feature all steam boilers have. See there it's sitting at 250, blowing off quite merrily, just tweaking it one way or that just to make sure it was absolutely spot on. That's it there, 250 psi, blowing off steam merrily. It blows off steam faster than the boiler can make. It's allowed to get a 10% increase in pressure, but no more than that.
And then we'll just get pumping till it's all. So all
Once again, it's just time to say thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I keep on saying it's very, very near now, the magical 100,000. Double boost hats are back on sale. There is a link in the description box. Anyway, thanks for watching.